in Azam City. You're watching One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with information, news, sports, and public affairs. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. Serving you with love. Ang telebisyong pangmasa. One TV News Channel. One TV News Channel. One TV special report.
Maasensong hapon sa tanan. Again, maasensong hapon sa tanan. Na, taas kay energy. Pati atong mga... Hello. So it is my great honor and privilege to stand before you today as we gather for this exciting and meaningful activity, ang atong Nutri-Jingle and Nutri-Healthy Food Skit Contest in celebration of the Nutrition Month 2026. So every year, we dedicate the month of July to remind ourselves of one fundamental truth. Good nutrition is the foundation of a healthy, productive, and prosperous community. Without proper nutrition, our children cannot learn, our workers cannot perform, and our families cannot thrive. This year's theme, Nutrisyon at Kalikasan, ating pangalagaan, reminds us that nutrition is not just a personal responsibility, it is a collective mission. And who better to champion this mission than our youth? So to our talented participants, I congratulate you for taking part in this contest. Through your jingles, you will not only showcase your creativity and musical talent, but you will also become advocates for health and nutrition in your schools and barangays. Your songs have the power to inspire your fellow students, your parents, and even your neighbors to choose healthier foods, practice proper eating habits, and support nutrition programs in our community. So, sa mga performers karon, sing with a purpose. Let your lyrics carry a message that sticks. And to remind everyone that kumain ng tama, sapat at masustansya is not just a slogan. It is a way of life. So to our coaches, our teachers, and very supportive parents, thank you for guiding these young performers. Your support behind the scenes is invaluable. And to our board of judges, we trust your expertise and fairness in choosing the jingle that best captures the essence of this year's nutrition advocacy. The LGU is fully committed to supporting activities like this because we believe that when we invest in nutrition, we invest in the future of our city. This aligns with our Ascenso vision for people-centered development. May this contest be the start of more innovative and impactful campaigns that bring our community closer to achieving food and nutrition security for all. So as we begin this competition, let us remember that everyone here is already a winner. Cute pagit yung mga outfits ang atong mga contestants as well as our dancers. So everyone here is already a winner for choosing to be a part of this advocacy. So give your best, children, enjoy the stage, and let your voices be heard. So mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino o padayon sa kanunay, Asenso Ozamis. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, our city administrator, Ma'am Lupisa Grace Juan. Palakpakan! Okay, at this juncture, we will have now the introduction of the Board of Judges to be given to us by our Social Welfare Officer 3, GOIC of the CSWGO. Ladies and gentlemen, our Social Welfare Officer 3, Sir Roger Gomez.
Respect to our City Mayor, Mayor Attorney Sam Norman G. Fuentes, which is duly represented by our City Administrator. A round of applause please to City Administrator Ms. Rutesa Grace Juano. To our Board of Judges, Sir, Ma'am, good afternoon. To our children, no, sa 65 child development centers sa ato ang mga barangays, and of course sa ato ang proud parents and child development workers. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. For the Nutri Jingle Contest, we have the following criteria for judging. Clarity and delivery of message, we have 30%. Creativity and originality, 30%. Stage presence, 20%. Costume and appearance, 20%, for a total of 100%. For the Nutri Healthy Food Skit Contest, the following criteria. Creativity and presentation, we have 30%. Character portrayal, 25%. Costume and appearance, 30%. Stage presence, 15%, for a total of 100%. For the mechanics of the two activity or events, for the Nutri Jingle Contest, the participants must be clustered child development centers of the city. Participants must be enrolled at the child development centers of the clustered barangays. Presentation must be in group with a maximum of 10 participants. Then the lyrics must be original and clearly aligned with the theme of 2026 Nutrition Month theme, and the jingle should run within 3 to 5 minutes. For the healthy food skit mechanics, again, the participants or the participating child development center should be in cluster. The participants must be enrolled in the child development centers. The participants will be wearing the vegetable or the fruit costume, and the presentation should run within 2 to 3 minutes. For our Board of Judges, our first judge is the registered nurse of the City Health Office, and at the same time the administrative officer of the City Health Office. Please help me welcome Sir Paul C. A round of applause please. For our second judge, he is a graduate of Bachelor of Arts major in English. He took up music subjects from the Silliman University of Dumaguete City. He is also a music director of the Asenso Ozamis Choral and made the choir reach the national choral competition that was held at UP Theater, Quezon City. He is also the music director of the UCCP Ozamis and a voice coach of some Misamisnons that joined the Tawag ng Tanghalan singing contest, and at the same time, the composer of the Mayor Hilario A. Romero Senior Regional Hospital, and a pianist and a voice teacher. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Sir Michael A. Fuentes. For our chairman of the Board of Judges, she is a nutritionist and dietitian. worked in research academy, hospital, but has prepared to be in public health nutrition since 1994. That is almost 32 years in public service, especially in the local government of Uzani City. And currently, the City Nutrition Action Officer since 2005. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Ma'am Lynette Navares. A round of applause, please. I would like to make mention also for the nutrition jingle competition, our chairman of the board is Sir Michael Fuentes, and for the healthy foods kit will be Ma'am Lynette Navares. Thank you so much, and Kanunay Asenso Osanis.
Thank you, Sir Raj. At this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, let's now start the ball rolling. Now, for the contest topper, atong unahon og tawag for the Nutri Jingle presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the Cluster 1. Palakpakan ang Cluster 1.
si Maestro. Pagkain ang ating handog. Barkay inamin, iwas sa sobrang tamis. Tignawan pagkain. Kumain ng gulay. Kumain ng yuta. Matalino ang isipan, masaya ang bawat tayo, healthy tayo, sabay-sabay. Huwag na ng kamay bago kumain, malis na ugali ating gawin, magyayong at mag-desisyon, kasunod na lalaki, alagaan, yung putman malangkas, yung putman magda, yung putman nakinam, healthy kids, sama-sama, kumain ng gulay, kumain ng prutas, inom ng gatas at tubig araw-araw. Lagas ng katawan, matalino ang isipan, masaya ang bawat tayo, healthy tayo, sabay-sabay.
That's cluster number 4.
Protection ang kaikasan, ating kalagaan. Bow!
Okay, dance cluster number 6.
Pag-ulang mic ba? Sa laki, pag-ulang mic sa laki.
Okay, dance cluster number 7.